Hey, what is going on, you guys? This is Matt with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics here in Jacksonville, Florida. We got a little bit of a different adventure here today. It's a 2025 Bmw S1000Rr, brand new bike. Client brought it to us. They wanted to get a couple of little cosmetic upgrades done and some parts installed. We went ahead and installed these FuturisMoto Mirror Deletes. They also have integrated turn signals, so instead of just getting rid of the turn signals entirely or relocating them here, they stay nice and flush there. We also went ahead and installed a Quadlock setup for them as well. This here, if I can get it to focus, ties directly into the factory USB port that's located under this rear tail here. So there's no custom splicing required. It's all very bike friendly. And then we did the New Rage Cycles tail tidy kit. This is the tucked kit, kind of give you a better idea of how that looks. Sits nice and flush, but it shows the tag enough to where you're not going to get pulled over for it. One other small thing we did was we also deleted the front reflectors that are normally found here, just for a cleaner look overall. Let's go ahead and kick this on. I'll show you guys. I know it's going to be harder to see this daytime, but put the hazards on. That's the mirror block off plates there. They're actually really bright. Even in the day when it's dark, you can see it. I mean, they shine real bright, so this helps increase your visibility at night as far as being seen by other people. I mean, you don't have mirrors, but that's all preference based. And then the tail tidy kit here has the turn signals as well. Get that to focus. There we go. It also has a really bright tag light that sits up right up in here, and it shines and illuminates all of this, so it actually looks really cool. But yeah, something a little different outside of our normal stereo realm, but we do more than just stereo and window tint. We do all sorts of 12-volt electronics, things of that nature. So if you're ever interested in getting something like this done to your BMW S1000Rr or any other bike or vehicle you may have, just give us a call, 904-333-2322, or email us at info.audiodesigns@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.